everyone, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and it's June 16th, Saturday, and I'm bringing you another jewelry update with some of the finished pieces that I've made from a lot of the beads from the subscription boxes that I received, especially recently. For those of you who don't know, I do a lot of subscription box reviews just because I really enjoy them. I love opening them and I love unboxing them on camera, especially with those of you who really enjoy beads and jewelry too. And I get a lot of questions about what do I do with all the beads and findings in the boxes. So these jewelry updates are my way of letting you guys know what I've been up to and also how I've been using the beads and findings, and to hopefully provide you a little bit of inspiration. I know I love seeing everybody's ideas and what people come up with the same items, and because we can vary so much in our creativity and the things that we make. So this is just my take on some of the things. These right here that you're seeing, these beads, most of what you're seeing came from the Urban Glitz subscription box, Urban Glitz Fashions, that I recently did a video on this past week. So if you go back into my list of videos, you'll see Urban Glitz Fashion subscription. And so a lot of the beads came from there. Like I said, this multicolored cord, which was so cool, came from there. This charm, they had a lot of, their theme was travel, and they had a lot of like travel related charms. This clock was one of them. They included some black beads. I want to say these were jasper. Either they had white jasper or black jasper, either one. They were both stone, but these are stone, but they're a matte black bead like you can see. The red and gold crystal rondelles are from the box. And you'll see I also made a bracelet that coordinated with this set. And these cord ends came from the box. And also this magnetic clasp that I finished the necklace with. Oh, and also this blue suede cord was from the Urban Glitz box. So I really did use a lot of items from that box to make these pieces. I tripled this cord, and I used some E6000 glue to glue the ends into these gold-plated cord ends, and that fit really well with the 3 cords. This finding, this rectangular gold-plated finding, came in the box as well, and I think it gives it a nice modern, high-end look to this bracelet. And the cord was so unique, I really didn't want to do much to take away from it. I thought it was a great focal, just the cord itself, but that the gold finding, this rectangle, really looked cool and kind of held the cords together. So that's what I decided to do with that. And I used every bit of cord that was in the box, actually, from what they sent. So I used everything to make the bracelet and the necklace, and it worked out perfectly. And I just used some findings and some chain that I had in my stash already. And then these little blue crystal rondelles came from the dollar bead box. And I just kind of chained it all together in my own way, but I thought it made something really unique and kind of cute. It was just different. So I decided to make a multi-strand necklace, and then, like I have here, I used some of this blue suede cord. I love the pop of blue. I think it really brings out the blue in the multi-strand cord. So hopefully that gives you a little inspiration. I really enjoyed making it. It was fun and different. So that's the first thing I have for you, and then to go along with more of the Urban Glitz items, I made a couple of sets of stretch bracelets. They had also sent, these are the, I think they were the white jasper beads, and then these are the yellow lava beads they sent, and these are some more of those black matte beads. And this was a little finding that I had, a little charm that I already had in my stash. I used some bead caps that I already had in my stash and the stretch cord. But I kind of went with the black and yellow or black and gold theme. I had some black lava beads already, so I thought those would be cool to use as a coordinating bracelet. And again, some more bead caps that I already had, and some other crystal beads that I already had that coordinated. And then this cool little bracelet here using a hexagon-shaped gold-plated finding that I had in my stash, some black suede cord, and other findings that I had. But I like the way they look all together on the wrist. And I won't put the hexagon shape on my wrist on camera just because it might take me a few minutes to get that clasp worked out. But I like the way the set looks together, kind of like that. Just looks kind of modern and elegant, I think. But it was a nice way for me to use some of those beads they sent. I really enjoyed that. So then I made a kind of nautical themed, I guess, stretch bracelet set that's along the same lines. Again, I used this lovely bright blue suede cord they sent. I just love the bright blue cord. That's gorgeous. And then I had the Dragon's Vein agate, dyed Dragon's Vein agate from one of the past bargain bead box subscriptions. So you may recognize that, but it coordinated so beautifully with this blue. And then I used two more of the travel themed gold plated charms she sent. So I was able to use the ship's wheel and the anchor charms on those. And again, I just had some more fun using the stretch cord and just used them in a different way with different themed items and colors. Like that. So that's kind of how they look when they're all together. You can move them around however you want. Like that. So, those were my main items from the Urban Glitz box. And then she also sent some beautiful yellow suede cord. And I made a little wrap bracelet with some more of the lava beads, another one of those matte black beads, some of the yellow cord she sent, and then I had some black cord already and used my own findings. And it just wraps around my wrist twice, kind of like that. But I love playing with the lava beads. I've been putting some lavender oil, essential oil. I don't have many essential oils at this point, but it makes a great diffuser. And it's been really cool to have that on my wrist. And then, you know, every once in a while I get that nice scent of lavender. So I like jewelry that has another purpose. I mean, that's really cool. So those are most of what I've been up to with that Urban Glitz box. I mean, she sent some really unique items, and I still have all these beads left. You know, I have a bunch of the rondelles, the gold and red. I still have a few more lava beads. I have more of these black matte beads, and here we go. So these are actually black jade. That's what I was trying to come up with. The white beads that you saw, like in this bracelet, were white jasper. These are black jade. So I still have those. And as far as everything else, I pretty much used it up. I got a couple charms left. But that brings me to my next items. I went a little crazy with the lava beads, the gold lava beads, or yellow, whatever you want to call them. And I made a whole bunch of little diffuser necklaces. And just laying them out here for you to show you all the different ones I made. They were just a quick and fun project. So those are the gold ones. And then with some of the black beads that I already had, black lava beads, I made these right here. And I wore this one today, put some lavender oil in it. But there's been no oil in these other ones. And a lot of these beads that you'll see are from the dollar bead box. They had a autumn glass, check glass assortment. So a lot of these little beads here, like the green, the gold, the brown, the red, and even this clear one came from that little assortment, which was really cute. And that's in a past bead haul where I show, you know, some of the beads that I had picked up from dollarbeadbox.com, and that's what I did with those. So, really fun. Been cool playing with those lava beads. And finally, I have one other necklace. This was a necklace that I made to go with a specific dress that I had recently purchased on eBay. I am a big secondhand shopper whenever I can be, but I needed something with these tones of blue in it. So I used the gold and blue rondelles that came from a recent bargain bead box. These blue glass beads came from one of the Bead Crate subscriptions. And then these rondelles, the turquoise rondelles, came from eBay. You'll see some more blue dragon's vein agate. And this charm came from eBay. And then I had purchased some of these gold findings and, of course, chain. Every beader has lots of findings and chain and whatnot in their stash already. But, yeah, that's what's nice about making jewelry is that you can make something specific go with a outfit that you have and make your own custom piece. So that is what I've made recently with my bead items. I hope that it provides you with some inspiration on what you could do with all these lovely beads that we are getting in the subscription boxes. And I've had so much fun playing with them, especially with these lava beads, because they are just so interesting to have jewelry that can also work as a diffuser. So fun. So I appreciate you guys being with me. I want to give a humongous thank you to all of my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you all so much. And thank you to all who leave me comments. I read every single one. I respond to every single one. And I'm so glad to have you here. You guys really give me a lot of joy and enthusiasm to keep making more videos and to keep creating. So as long as you all are enjoying them, I will keep going. And then finally, I just want to say I will be having a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'll be giving away quite a few items that you've seen in my past subscription box unboxing videos and, future unboxing videos to come. So, stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, then you'll want to do so. And feel free to leave me a comment on this video. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you have a favorite item. Stop by to say hi. I'd love to hear from you. But until next time, happy beading, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.